Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving deep into a motherboard built for power, speed, and aesthetics, the ASRock B760 Pro RSD4 WiFi white Micro-ATX motherboard. If you're building a clean, high-performance white PC setup, this board might be your next best friend. Let's start with the looks, because honestly, they matter. The B760 Pro RSD4 comes in a stunning white PCB that complements any all-white or RGB heavy build. It's not just beautiful, it's smartly engineered too. With its Micro-ATX form factor, it fits easily into compact builds without sacrificing the essentials, or performance. Now let's talk specs. This board supports Intel's latest 12th and 13th Gen CPUs on the LGA1700 socket and pairs them with DDR4 memory support up to 5333 plus MHz, OC. While DDR5 is the new hot thing, DDR4 is still incredibly relevant for gamers and creators who want great performance without breaking the bank. Connectivity is loaded here. You get 2.5G LAN for ultra-fast wired internet, plus built-in Wi-Fi 6 so you're ready for next-gen wireless speeds out of the box. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or transferring large files, this board keeps you covered. Storage and expansion? You get PCIe 4.0 support, plus dual M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSDs. There's also USB 3.2 Gen2x2 Type-C, which gives you blazing 20 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, great for fast external drives or high-res capture devices. ASRock didn't forget about lighting either. With ARGB support, you can sync this board with your favorite components and create a brilliant light show using ASRock Polychrome RGB software. And let's not forget features like HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, BIOS Flashback, and premium capacitors, everything you'd expect in a motherboard built for modern rigs. In short, this motherboard delivers high-end features in a clean, compact form at a reasonable price. It's perfect for white-themed builders, gamers, or creators wanting performance, stability, and future-ready tech. If you're building your dream white PC, this is the foundation worth considering. Tap the link below to check it out and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily tech reviews on Gadgetverse.